In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a task in ClickUp. Deleting tasks might seem simple, but in a busy workspace, it's important to know exactly what you're doing so you don't accidentally remove something important. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you slowly through each click and what to look for on your screen so you can follow along confidently. First, make sure you're in ClickUp and that you've opened the correct workspace and space where your tasks are stored. From there, you want to go to your list view. The list view is the layout that shows your tasks in a clean vertical list with columns for things like status, assignee, due date, and more. If you're not already there, look along the top of your screen or near the left-hand side for the option labeled List and click it. This ensures you're seeing your tasks in a format that supports the bulk actions bar we'll be using. Once you're in list view, find the specific task you want to delete. Take a moment to double check the task name, the list it's in, and any details you can see at a glance, just to make sure this is truly the one you want to remove. When you're sure, move your mouse over that task. As you hover over it, you'll notice an unchecked box appearing to the left of the task name. This checkbox is how you select one or more tasks for bulk actions. Click on that unchecked box to select the task. As soon as you do this, ClickUp will recognize that you've selected an item and a bar of options will appear at the bottom of your screen. This bar usually includes actions like changing status, moving tasks, and other bulk tools. If you don't see it, confirm that the checkbox is actually ticked and that you're still in list view. Now look closely at the bar of options at the bottom. Among the icons, you should see a red trash can icon. This represents the delete action. Because deleting a task is permanent unless you restore it from the trash, it's a good idea to pause here and make absolutely sure you selected the correct task. When you're ready, click on the red trash icon to delete the task. ClickUp may ask you to confirm that you want to delete it. Once you confirm, the task will be removed from your list. If you change your mind soon after, you can usually recover it from the trash section in your workspace, depending on your permissions and workspace settings. And that's all there is to it. Go to list view, select your task with the checkbox, watch for the bottom options bar,